What if the laziest thing you did all day was also the most creative? Sounds kind of backwards, right? We're always told that creativity means struggle. It's the artist starving for their work, the writer chugging coffee at 3 a.m., the designer moving pixels around for hours on end. But what if that's not the full picture anymore? What if you could get paid for your best ideas without the soul-crushing grind of making them from scratch? In 2025, that's not just a dream. It's happening, all thanks to a new creative partner, one that never gets tired and can turn your simple thoughts into products people will actually buy in minutes. So, if you have cool ideas but hate the actual work of bringing them to life, this is for you. In this video, I'm showing you 3 lazy side hustles where you bring the idea and artificial intelligence does the rest. We're talking sellable art, stories, and designs that can build you a real passive income stream. And no, you don't need to be a coder or a tech wizard. This is all about using simple artificial intelligence tools to finally work smarter, not harder. First up is the one that still feels like actual magic, becoming an AI artist. You get a cool image in your head, but maybe you can't draw a stick figure, let alone spend months learning how to paint. Well, now you don't have to. The idea is simple. You use an AI image generator like Midjourney or DALL-E to turn a single line of text into a killer piece of art. And yes, people are making real money doing this. Some top creators are reportedly pulling in 4 to 5 figures a month just by selling these designs on sites like Etsy. Here's how easy it is to get started. It all begins with a prompt. You hop into a tool like Midjourney, which works inside the messaging app Discord. You type, imagine, and then you just say what you want to see. You don't need to be a poet. Something simple like a watercolor painting of a sleepy fox reading a book in a big comfy armchair, vintage style, soft colors. In about 60 seconds, the AI spits out 4 totally unique versions of your idea. They're all a little different. Maybe one has the perfect cozy vibe, another has better lighting. You just pick your favorite and click upscale. The AI then creates a high-resolution version of that image, ready to sell. But where do you sell it? The biggest spot for this is Etsy. You can sell your art as a digital download. That means someone pays you, and they instantly get the file to print and frame themselves. You make the art once, and you can sell it over and over and over again. That's passive income right there. The options are endless. People are selling everything from minimalist line art to cute designs for a kid's nursery. One of the hottest trends right now is custom portraits. A customer sends you a photo of their pet, and you use AI to turn it into a cartoon character or even make it look like a classic oil painting. You're not just selling an image, you're selling a unique, personal piece of art, and you can charge more for it. Getting started is cheap. A Midjourney subscription costs about as much as a few coffees a month, and listing something on Etsy is just cents. The trick is to find a popular niche that isn't totally flooded. Spend a little time on Etsy and see what's trending. Maybe it's the coquette style with all the bows or vintage doodle art, and then add your own spin to it. This is one side hustle where your personal taste is your biggest advantage. Ever had that thought, I've got a killer idea for a book, but I'm not a writer? Yeah, that excuse is officially dead. The second lazy side hustle is becoming an AI-assisted author, and it's a total game changer for creatives. Using tools like ChatGPT, you can generate everything from plot ideas to entire chapters. This isn't about having a robot write a soulless book. It's about you being the director, the main visionary, while artificial intelligence does the boring stuff like structuring sentences and paragraphs. Here's the plan. Let's say you want to make a series of kids' coloring books. You can ask ChatGPT to brainstorm popular themes for parents and then use an AI art tool, like Midjourney, to create the coloring pages themselves. One creator said they made over $300 in their first week just by selling a 24-page Halloween coloring book on Etsy. And what about actual novels or short stories? The process is just as simple. You start by giving ChatGPT a personality. You could say something like, you're a best-selling author who writes cozy mystery novels. Your style is funny, clever, and full of charming characters. Then, you pitch your idea, generate 5 ideas for a cozy mystery set in a small-town bookstore, where the main character is a clumsy but super smart baker. Instantly, you'll have a bunch of story concepts to choose from. You pick one, and you start building it out. Ask the AI to outline the plot, create character backstories, or even write a first draft of a chapter. Of course, you'll want to edit it. This is where you add your voice, fix the dialogue, and make sure the story has some heart. Artificial intelligence gets you 80% of the way there in a tiny fraction of the time. Writer's block. It's not really a thing anymore. Once your story is done, you can self-publish it as an ebook on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, or sell it on Gumroad. You can even use AI to help you design a great cover, write the book's description for the sales page, and brainstorm marketing ideas. You can create anything: short stories, children's books, recipe books, how-to guides. Artificial intelligence is your 24/7 co-writer, and it's always ready to go. This third lazy side hustle is for anyone with a good eye for design but zero patience for complicated software. It's all about becoming an AI designer and selling digital products people use every day. Digital products are things like planners, social media templates, or wedding invitations. The business model is amazing. You create it once, and you can sell it forever, bringing in passive income for years. In the past, you needed to be a pro at Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. But now, with Canva's new AI tools, you can create designs that look totally professional just by typing what you want. Here's a quick example. Say you want to sell wedding invitation templates. Instead of starting from a blank page, you go into Canva, find the magic design feature, and just describe what you're looking for. For instance, a minimalist wedding invitation for a fall wedding with eucalyptus leaves and an elegant gold script font. Instantly, Canva's artificial intelligence will generate a bunch of fully designed, editable templates. It figures out the layout, suggests colors, and even adds placeholder text. You can then jump in and make little tweaks, change the font, move things around. In under 15 minutes, you have a premium product that looks like it was made by a professional. You can do this for almost anything. Create digital planners for students, slide decks for business owners, or social media content packs for influencers. Use AI to generate the main ideas and content, then use Canva to make it look beautiful. You could create a 30-day content calendar for a specific niche, package it as a PDF, and sell it on Etsy or Gumroad. The key here is a little bit of research. Before you make anything, pop over to Etsy and see what's actually selling. Are people buying planners with a dark academia theme, or social media templates with a boho vibe? Find out what's trending, and then use AI to make your own unique version way faster than anyone else. You're not just a designer, you're a curator of ideas, and AI is your production line. So there you have it, 3 side hustles where you can finally get paid for your creative ideas without the burnout. You can be an artificial intelligence artist, an artificial intelligence storyteller, or an AI designer, and you can get started on any of them today with almost no money up front. If you're feeling ready to go and want a head start, I put together a totally free guide for you. It's a PDF with 50 copy and paste AI prompts to help you create your first piece of art, outline a story, or design a digital product. It's the perfect cheat sheet to get you going. The link is right down in the description. The whole creative world is changing. The old rules that said you had to struggle to make something great are being completely rewritten by these new tools. Artificial intelligence isn't here to take over human creativity, it's here to supercharge it. It takes care of the tedious stuff so you can focus on what actually matters, your ideas. It lets you be lazy, in the best way, by being smart and efficient. Whether you're making art with Midjourney, writing with ChatGPT, or designing with Canva, the opportunity right now is huge. Even part-time effort can bring in anywhere from a few hundred to a couple of $1,000s a month for some people. So here's my challenge to you: pick one of these ideas. Just one, and spend 30 minutes this week playing around with it. You might be completely shocked at what you can create. And let me know in the comments which one you're going to try. I'd love to hear what you're planning to build. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.